Hello, today I'll be unboxing the Ultra H2 molecular hydrogen generator. I believe you're all ready for this. I'm pretty excited to be unboxing this for you today. So here we go. Now the first thing we have here is the product manual, Ultra H2 product manual. So you can go through it to know how best to make use of it and all the equipment that are in this package and its use, right? So this is very, very important. And then the next thing we have here is Ultra H2 products warranty card. So you need this. It's called the official Ultra H2 return policy form. So very, very important. You need to keep it safe, because if anything happens to your bottle within a period of 6 months, then you can use this to return it and then claim the warranty. Okay. Now the next thing we have here is, of course, the Ultra H2 bottle, the molecular hydrogen bottle. Okay, very, very important. So this is the major device in this package. Now here you have the hydrogen generator itself. So this is the major device that generates hydrogen molecules. It infuses a whole lot of hydrogen molecules into your water. So this is just like a flask where you pour your water into it. And when you pour water into this, then you screw it up and then you press this button for the molecules, the hydrogen molecules, to now be infused into your water so you can have hydrogen rich water. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now the next thing we have this this device. This device is also very important in case you don't want to generate water using this flask. You can generate water using maybe your EverWater. Maybe if you bought EverWater, you finished the water and you have that empty can. You can use it to keep generating water for yourself and for your family. How does it work? This particular device, you place it on the hydrogen generator and then you screw it. You open up this particular item, the device, I mean to say, you open it up and then you screw it on the water. I'm going to be showing you how that is done in my next video. You screw it on that empty Ever bottle or the Ever bottle with water in it. You screw it and then you turn it upside down and you press this button, and what happens is that a lot of hydrogen molecules is being infused in the process into your water. And once it's done, maybe after 15 minutes, you now have hydrogen rich water. So this device is very, very important because it enables you to generate water not only using this flask, but with any other can you have out there that is compatible with this device. Right? Now, the next thing you have here is this particular device, and I'm going to show you how this works. Now, this works directly with the flask. All right, so this is the flask. So let's screw it back on the generator, the hydrogen generator. So here it is. So we're screwing it back. Okay, now we'll open this up and then we'll place this device. You screw it on your flask. Remember that this is the generator, isn't it? And then you have your flask and then you have this device. Okay, so this goes into the generator while this goes on the flask, right? Then you have this cannula, because the essence of using this is so that you can inhale the hydrogen gas as it's being generated. All right, so how does it work? You place this cannula on this other device here. Okay, and then you place this around your neck this way. Okay, place it this way around your neck. Now this particular part of this cannula is meant to go into your nostrils, as you can see. Then there is a particular part of this cannula that you need to draw, which is this part, to make it tighter on your head so that it doesn't fall off, right? So it doesn't loosen. So you see what we're going to do right now is in my nostril, isn't it? So all I need to do is tighten it up so that it is firm, right? So you can see it is firm. So I can inhale this, right, while this is generating. So if I want to generate hydrogen molecules into this device, all I need to do is to press this twice. I press this twice and automatically I have my hydrogen molecules being infused into my water. So at the end of the day, after about 15 minutes, I now have hydrogen rich water. Okay, so that's the function of this cannula. So it is meant for you to be able to inhale the gas as it's being generated in your water. All right, and so you inhale it for close to 15 minutes, right? And it helps you recover faster and it helps your body become healthier, right? The next thing we have here is the charger. So this is the charging device. It comes with a Type-C charger. Type-C charger, so pretty compatible and efficient. Okay, so this is the charger. All right, so let me put it back into the box. All right, all right, all right. All right. Okay. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. So get yours. If you need this, holler at your boy and you will get this package directly to your doorstep. Love you all and bye for now. Watch out for my next video.